Lost administrative rights on Windows 11? In this brief guide, I'll show you 2 quick fixes to regain administrative control and manage your system effectively. Let's get started. Press Shift key from your keyboard and keeping it pressed. Just click on Restart Note. If you are unable to log into System, press Shift key and click Restart on the login screen. Now, in next screen, click on Advanced Options. Now, click on Troubleshoot. Now, click on Advanced Options. Now, click on Startup Settings. Click on Restart. Press 4 from the keyboard to select Safe Mode. Once you log into System in Safe Mode, open Command Prompt. Just search CMD in Windows 11 search box and click on CMD icon. Now, run the command given below in Command Prompt. Net User Administrator, active, yes. Now, run the command given below. Net Local Group Administrators type _ in _ your _ new _ username _ here / add, close the CMD window, and start PC in normal mode and check again. Search NetPoolWiz in search box and click on it. Now, double-click on your username. Click on Group Membership tab. Now, click on Administrator. Click on Apply. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.